Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first day, you're welcome. Today we are going to make green smoothie. You can see everything is green. I have cucumber, green apple, kiwi and mint. Then I have a little bit of water. Now let's go. Now I have cut everything together. I'll start by adding a little bit of water into the blender. Then I will add everything. Now I've added everything into the blender. Is to go ahead and blend it now. Our green smoothie is ready. Guys, our green smoothie is ready. Please try this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.